In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete a user account in Google Workspace. If you're ready to simplify your workspace management by removing an unnecessary account, just follow along as we walk through the process step by step. First, head over to Google Workspace. This is the main hub where all your administrative tasks are handled. Once you're there, locate the Admin console and click on it. The Admin console acts as your control panel, allowing you to manage user accounts, settings, and other important features within your organization. Next, log in using your business email. It's important to sign in with an account that has administrative privileges, otherwise you won't be able to manage or delete users. If you run into any issues, double-check that you're using the correct credentials and that your account has admin permissions. After logging in, navigate to the Admin console dashboard. From the main page, go to the Users section. This is where you'll find a list of all user accounts associated with your organization. Under the Users section, look for the option to delete a user. When prompted, type in the name or email address of the account you want to remove. As you start typing, suggestions will appear. Select the correct account carefully. Take a moment to double-check that you've chosen the right user, since this action can't be undone once completed. Once you've selected the account, click on it and proceed with the deletion process. You'll likely be asked to confirm your decision. Review any information or terms presented to you to ensure you understand the impact of deleting the account. Finally, click Delete User to complete the process. After confirmation, the account will be permanently removed from your Google Workspace. And that's it. You've successfully deleted a user account in Google Workspace. Remember, this action is irreversible, so always make sure you're deleting the correct account before confirming. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and check out our other guides for more step-by-step tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.